in this video, I'm going to show you a really cool long nail design, so stay tuned and enjoy. This is the look. Okay, so I'm using my practice hand, as you can see. If you want to see the unboxing for this, make sure you check that video out. So for the little practice nails that it has on here, I'm just going to cut them down and file the edge and the top surface. And this is what you would do if it was on like your real hand. So now I'm going to take my Mia Secret nail form. And I'm going to put the little circle on the bottom for more stability. And I'm just going to put it on like so. And I have really been wanting to try something like this, but this is nothing that I would wear for every day. So I decided that my practice hand would be perfect for these kind of looks. So now I'm going in with the Mia Secret in clear, and I'm just going to build out my free edge. And I'm making this kind of thin because I'm going to put a lot of stuff on top of it. This brush is by Alpha Brush. It's a number 8, and I have a round and an oval. So I kind of just go back and forth using both of those. I don't really have a favorite shape. I just use whichever one is available. So after I build that out, I'm going in with the Mia Secret in Cover Pink to do my nail bed. And if you want to see a video of how I did this reverse application on myself, I'll make sure that I put that in the cards. Doing this on the practice hand, it turned out a lot nicer than me trying to do it on myself. So now I'm going in with these glitters, and I also have a video of me mixing this glitter, so I'll make sure I put that in the cards for you all as well. So the glitters already have acrylic and all of that in there, so I'm just going into the monomer and then going into the mixed powders, and I'm putting them in like a angle design. I put the red in like a triangle, and I'm filling in the rest of that space with the orange, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom half. So I'm going to do a triangle and then fill in the rest with the yellow. So I really love doing this design. Actually, I can't wait to try some different things, some different shapes, some different colors, or just all kind of different stuff with the long nails. It's so much space, it's so much room to just have fun and really create something beautiful. So this practice hand is going to give me the opportunity to kind of really, you know, play with that length. Things that I can't really wear on my everyday job. Right here I had a little gap, so I went back in and added some more orange up there to kind of fill in that gap. If you all have any design requests or color combination requests, please comment that below. And I'm just capping the whole nail. If you are enjoying this video, please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, turn the notifications on, share it with your friends, all of the above. If you recreate this look, I would love to see it. So after I apply the clear and get it all nice and level, I am going to file and shape the nail. Here I'm just turning it sideways and up and down so I can kind of make sure that the clear is completely covering the nail and that it's not any bumps or lumps in there. So now I'm removing the form and I'm just going to file and shape the nail. So this is the finished result after applying my top coat. It is very beautiful. I love it so much, and I really hope you all love my tutorial as well. Make sure you like and comment, and I will see you in the next video.